Good day, everyone. Are you struggling to reach your health goals? The secret to perfect wellness could be enzyme nutrition. These tiny powerhouses make everything tick. Today we're diving into enzyme nutrition, inspired by Dr. Edward Howell. From digestion to cellular repair, enzymes are the unsung heroes. By the end of this video, you'll appreciate the intricate processes that sustain your health. Ready to unlock the secret to perfect wellness? Let's get started. Dr. Edward Howell was a pioneering physician and biochemist who revolutionized enzyme nutrition. Born in 1898, he dedicated his life to studying enzymes' role in health. His research revealed enzymes are essential for wellness. He authored Enzyme Nutrition, a cornerstone for holistic health. Howell discovered enzymes are vital for digestion, metabolism, and cellular function. His work emphasized consuming enzyme-rich foods and minimizing enzyme depletion. Now let's delve deeper into why enzymes are crucial for our well-being. What exactly are enzymes, and how do they function within our bodies? Enzymes are specialized proteins that act as catalysts, speeding up chemical reactions in our bodies. Enzymes facilitate efficient cellular functions by accelerating these reactions, making life possible. And without enzymes, these reactions would occur too slowly, and life as we know it would come to a standstill. They play a pivotal role in digestion, breaking down food into absorbable nutrients, ensuring our bodies get the energy and building blocks they need. There are three main types of enzymes: digestive, metabolic, and food enzymes, each with unique functions. Digestive enzymes help break down food into smaller molecules that our bodies can absorb and use. Metabolic enzymes are involved in cellular processes, aiding in energy production and detoxification. Food enzymes, found in raw foods, assist in the initial stages of digestion, reducing the burden on our digestive system. Modern lifestyles often lead to enzyme depletion due to factors like processed foods, chronic stress, and environmental toxins. Let's explore the best natural foods rich in enzymes and how they can support our health and well-being. Now that we have an idea of enzymes' importance, let's talk about the best natural sources of these vital proteins. Raw fruits and vegetables are incredibly rich in enzymes, which help our bodies function optimally. Pineapple contains bromelain, and papaya has papain, both of which are known to aid digestion and reduce inflammation. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir are enzyme powerhouses, promoting gut health and boosting immunity. Nuts and seeds, especially when sprouted, are great enzyme sources, enhancing nutrient absorption and energy levels. Almonds, sunflower seeds, and flax seeds are excellent options to include in your daily meals for an enzyme boost. Raw honey is not only delicious, but also packed with enzymes that support digestion and overall health. Avocados are rich in lipase, an enzyme that helps break down fats, while bananas contain amylase and maltase, which aid in carbohydrate digestion. By incorporating these enzyme-rich foods into your diet, you can significantly improve your wellness and vitality, making you feel more energetic and healthy. Applying Dr. Howell's insights can certainly transform your health and overall well-being. How vital it is to incorporate more raw and fermented foods into your diet to boost your digestive health. Include a variety of enzyme-rich fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and fermented foods to ensure a balanced intake of essential nutrients. Consider enzyme supplements if you have digestive issues or a diet high in processed foods, as they can aid in breaking down complex nutrients. Chew your food thoroughly to stimulate digestive enzyme production and improve nutrient absorption. Reduce intake of processed and cooked foods to avoid enzyme depletion and maintain optimal digestive health. Manage stress through relaxation techniques, regular exercise, and adequate sleep to support your body's enzyme production. These changes can harness the power of enzymes for perfect wellness and a more vibrant life. Let's embark on this wellness journey together, embracing a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. If this video resonated with you, would it be putting too much pressure on you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel? Every individual helps support the wellness potential of our global family. We're deeply grateful for your support, and together we can make a difference in how we approach true health. We invite you to share this knowledge with your friends and family to spread awareness about enzymes and holistic health. Small changes can lead to big health improvements. Let's make a positive impact on our lives and those around us. Thank you for being part of our community.